Hi. Today in this tutorial I will import an animated character from Mixamo to Blender. So let's get started. First, let's choose a dancing animation. This one seems funny. Now let's choose some character. Let's download it by pressing this download button on the right. Yes, we need it with skin, and the format should always be .fbx, unless you're working with Unreal Engine. Keyframe reduction, none, and frame rate according to your need. Now let's download it. Once it's downloaded, load up your Blender and go to File, Import, and FBX, and choose your file. And as you can see, we have successfully imported the character and animation. Thanks for watching.